Aloha. Hey, I was going to do a video about using Grok. So here we go. Created with Grok. Welcome to Throttle Out. I'm Chris, and this is Grok. Okay, I'm doing a screen recording of my Grok app open on X. And the reason I am is because I want to show you how to use AI to organize your thoughts in a quicker way, an easier way. I'm not saying let it take over, but it's pretty amazing on what Grok's capable of doing. So I'm gonna have to type it out because the screen recorder won't let me use Grok voice to text. So it's just a rough thoughts. All right, you can see what it says, what I typed, and then what it says. Hi there, or hey there. Sounds like a cool idea for a video tutorial. Using me, Grok, to help organize your thoughts about adjusting motorcycle mirrors can make for an interesting and relatable project. I'm happy to chat with you and provide some input to include in your video since you want a rough edit to keep it casual. I'd say let's keep our conversation natural and conversational, like we're just tossing ideas around. So let's start with the basics. What's your goal with the mirror adjustment tutorial? Are you thinking of walking through the steps, like how to angle them for the best visibility, or maybe troubleshooting common issues? How do you see me helping you organize it? We can brainstorm a loose structure, and you can record bits of our chat to weave into the video. What do you think? Got it. So the real star of the video is our conversation about using me, Grok, to organize your thoughts. And the motorcycle mirror adjustment is just a handy example to illustrate it. I love that angle. It keeps things flexible and shows off how we can bounce ideas around. All right, let's lean into that. How about we structure it like this? You kick off the video explaining that you wanted to figure out a project, any project, and decided to chat with me to get your thoughts in order. Then you bring up the mirror idea as something simple you landed on. We can talk through it a bit, like how I might help you break it down or refine it, and that becomes the proof of how I'm useful. Keeps it casual and relationship focused like you wanted. For the mirror bit, maybe you'd say something like, I thought about adjusting my motorcycle mirror, simple, but it's gotta be done right. So I asked Grok what to focus on. Then I could chime in with something like, yeah, I'd ask you, what's the goal? Better rear view, avoiding blind spots. Let's start with the basics. Check your seating position, tweak the angle, test it out. We keep it loose, like a natural back and forth. How's that sound for the vibe? Want to riff on the mirror example a bit more, or tweak how we frame our chat as the main focus? I appreciate the help and what you and I have already done is plenty, and I think has demonstrated my concept and will help get the point across. Awesome, I'm glad I've already got something solid going. It's cool to hear that our chat so far feels like enough to demonstrate your concept. I think the natural flow we've got will totally shine through in your video. You've got the main thread with our conversation and the mirror example as a little sidekick to tie it together. It's simple, relatable, and shows how I can help without overcomplicating things. If you're set, I'd say you're ready to roll with that, or with what we've got. Maybe just record a quick intro like, hey, I wanted to organize my thoughts for a project, so I started chatting with Grok, and here's how it went. Then splice in our back and forth, keep that rough edit vibe, and you're golden. Let me know how it turns out, or if you want to toss any last minute ideas my way before you hit record. Pretty cool. Thanks, Grok. Okay, so you're wondering, what do I do with the information that I get from Grok after I'm done with the list of stuff that we work on, that it basically provides for me? What I do is there's a couple of things. You can create a link that you can click on and it'll refer back to the conversation you have with Grok, but Grok told me that it doesn't store stuff forever, so it might not be available. That link might be a dead link if you go wait too long to use it. So what I do is I just copy all, and then I paste it into what I use as my Google Keep, which is my note-taking app. You can do whatever you want, and that way I know it's in the cloud, it's stored, and I have it. If you want to store it, you can copy all and paste it to whatever. If you have a hard drive you want to paste it to, but that's how I do it. I just use Google Keep. So hopefully this video was helpful. I really want to show you how I work around things because I'm not a technical master. I don't work in an editing studio. I'm just trying to learn these things as I go, and these are some of the things that I figured out how to do. I'm sure there's more streamlined ways of doing it, but this is how I have figured it out. So appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And if you have a comment about what you do and how you edit videos or any of the equipment you might use, leave a comment. It'll be helpful for everybody that wants to tag along to be able to discuss what's going on. So thanks a lot. Aloha. Have a great day.